Disappointments are opportunities for us to be spiritually tested. And if we're not tested, we don't have an opportunity for growth. If we don't have any challenges, we don't have an opportunity for growth. We can say we're this, we can say we're that. But it's not until, as they say, the rubber meets the road that we now find out what we are actually made of on the inside. This is where we can see if those skills, if those tools, if those principles have been integrated into our being. Life challenges, tests, conflicts, they are opportunities for our character to be solidified and fortified. Are the struggles absolutely necessary for success? Not in all cases. But a lot of times when we're doing groundbreaking things, pioneering things, trailblazing things, we're going to get some opposition, some resistance, whether it's from our own mind, whether it's from people in our immediate surroundings, whether it's from people at our jobs, whether it's from our community, whether it's from our nation or our global world. When we are trying or attempting to set a new precedent, challenges are going to come along with it. If you don't really believe in what you say you're standing up for, if you don't really believe in what you are pursuing, it's going to be made evident at the very, very slightest bit of pressure, resistance, and or opposition. If you are a thoroughbred, and what you say you represent, you live, and that you, in some cases, may say you would even die for, we will be able to separate those who are true from those who are imposters when we are met with challenges. And the challenges, depending on how we show up to manage them and regulate them, will without question contribute to our refinement, our beauty, and our crystallization of Iwapele.